Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. So today we are making rice ramen noodle soup with kettle and fire bone broth. The reason this is so good is because it has collagen peptides, it has 10 grams of protein, and it has organic chicken bones. So let's get into the ingredients. It's just simple. It's the rice ramen packet. I get these at Costco, and I get this at Thrive Market, and this is what it looks like. But yeah, I have this simmering for 4 minutes, and now we put this packet in. Then take your fork and you stir it around for 4 minutes. I already have one ready. Here, let me just pour it in. Here it is. And doesn't that look good? That is what it looks like. And I'm gonna try it right now. That is really good. So, remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And see you next time, guys. Bye.